Guys, I have with me here Bentley. The customer complained the gear is not shifting. The car is starting but the gear is not shifting. So I say the gear is not shifting. When I try to shift, it's not shifting, but the car is starting. So when I check it, I on the ignition, I try to shift, it's only in parking. I just try to put the car in neutral under here. I remove the cover here. Let me show you. I try to put the car in neutral for me to bring it to workshop. Yeah, this is the plastic. When you remove it, you access to the sealer. So you can put this one to unlock it. So let me just cover this. So when I try to shift the gear, you can see it's not shifting. It's not shifting. So when I open this gear shifter, and it's coming message in the dashboard also. Let me show you the message real quick. The same. I'm showing the gear shifter. It's not this. This for light. Not this. You can see start the run for selecting the gear. Before yeah, this is the message here. You can see level 4 for controller. So when I remove this here, I remove this. I think the customer put drink or something, put it here. You can see the scratches here. So guys, you can see this is a sign of water here, but I try to clean it. So when I clean it here, you can see the sign of water. You can see the sign of water here and the sign of water. So when I try to clean it, the gear is shifting, but it's showing in the dashboard here because I removed the front side. I cannot start the car right now, so that's why I cannot start the car right now. So it's showing on the dashboard. It's showing on the dashboard that the shifter lock is not removed. So it's showing message, and the customer said you don't need the message in the dashboard. So when I try to check the continuity of this all wire here, when I check the continuity, I can see one side have break. So I need to make alignment for that. Let me show you real quick. This is my multimeter. Can you hear the sound of my multimeter? So when I put the meter here, I think you can see it. So when I put my multimeter here, I try to read it. Can you hear the sound? At this continuity, this one is okay with this. this continuity is okay. You can see it's okay. Well, let me check the second one. And I check the second one here. The second one here. I read it here. It's reading. When I read this wire here to here, it's not reading. You can see it's not reading. When I check the joint here, it's reading. So when I check from this joint to here, it's reading. You can hear it's reading, but I have problem here. This side I have a cut. Let me show you. Maybe the camera can focus. Here this side I have little cut different, so I need to join this side and this side together for the problem to be solved. So that's how to fix this. Your gear is not selecting. First check if there's any issue there before you can do it. So this is the code that is showing: selector level, unlock button, electrical error. This is the code that is showing before. When I delete this, it's not deleting. And also this transmission level, and also here gear shifter controller module. So when I try to delete it, it's not deleting. So let me just delete it now and see what is going on. Switch off the ignition, on the ignition, quick erase. Let's see it together. Transmission now is passed. You can see it's because of this man that have continuity. That's why it's showing that. Okay, everything is good. Okay. I'll focus on this. Yes, now it's passed. So that means it's done. Only this one showing the left, right, handle, driver, switch over. So I open the glass, that's why. So all is done. Let me start. And you can see there is a light here before driving safety mode. It's showing now, nothing there. It's showing like a light here. Oh, crazy one. So let me search the code again. My target is select level is my target, because before the select target it's not deleting. I'm trying to erase, it's not erasing. Hold the selecting level, then this one. Now it's passed. Before it's not erasing. So now, thank God, everything is done, so I can deliver the car to the customer. That's only the issue I have with this car. That's why the car is not moving. Now the car can move, can go front and back. You can see nothing, only the minor thing. Check the ACM for the control module. ACM and try the message was left, right, ignition, coil, secondary. No problem about this. Okay, so guys, now I fix everything back, so let's start and check the shifter, maybe it's working or not. You see now, only for light and passenger airbag is showing now, and driving system fault, contact there. So So after that, let me try to shift this gear here now. You can see the D now is showing. Let me shift to DM. DM also is showing. Reverse. Now reverse also is showing. Before it's showing the selector is locked on the meter, but now no longer showing again because of the cutting inside this this continuity reading inside this gear shifter. So now everything is done, so I need to deliver the car to the customer now. As you can see, reverse, D, parking. So that's it. That's how to solve the problem. If you have the same issue that your gear is not shifting, that's how to solve the problem.